Hello everyone, I am Dattatrenikam. Welcome you all on our channel EFunda. New day, new topic, and our today's topic is engineering and technology. Engineering technology help to develop, design, and implement engineering and technology solutions, typically while pursuing engineering career in the field of manufacturing firm or design, construction, and production improvement. And if you are new to our channel, then please visit to our channel EFunda and watch all the videos created with the various topics of engineering and many other. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get latest notification on upload of our new video on our channel EFunda. So let's begin with our today's topic, that is engineering and technology. Engineering and technology allows various benefits such as opportunity to study concept, opportunity to think creatively, detailing of your concept or project work. Engineering technology gives opportunity to demonstrate, opportunity to explain your concept to clients. Engineering and technology gives opportunity to develop a complete plan, opportunity to design the concept with the help of various softwares and available resources with inputs. Implementation planning. Implementation planning is a process in a project management that entails creating a step-by-step guidance or instructions for completing the project activities. Engineering and technology allows implementation of the concept at a construction site, as the work is done as part of engineering is being implemented at site. Upstream exploration and production. Exploration and production is a specific sector within the oil and gas industry linked to early stage of energy production, which is generally involved searching for and extraction of oil and gas. Application of engineering and technology. One can see aerial view of a oil refinery, where one can see all the sections are suitably placed with engineering approach so as to maintain the production facility. Engineering and technology allows layout arrangement. Refer the layout arrangement for a cooling tower at a refinery, how systematically it is done and installed. The last part of engineering technology application is a harbor field development project. Harbor is an area of water next to the coastline, often protected by the sea line or a sea thick wall, where ships and boats can be sheltered. This is how the engineering and technology helps to provide your necessary design and implementation.